How to turn on automatic replies in Gmail. Step 1. Before going on vacation, you can change your email settings to automatically respond. Here's how to do it. Step 2. Open your browser and head to Gmail. Log in to your Gmail account. Step 3. Click on this marked setting icon. Step 4. Click on this marked setting icon. Step 5. Click See All Settings. Step 6. Click the Vacation Responder On field. Step 7. Click the Last Day field. Step 8. Click this text field. Step 9. Click Date to select first day and last day. Step 10. Click this text field. Step 11. Type out of office, September 15th, 2021. Step 12. Click Vacation Responder. Step 13. Type in message. Step 14. Click the Only Send a Response to People in My Contacts field. Step 15. Click the Only Send a Response to People in Scribe field. Step 16. Click Save Changes.